Now that you are properly dressed for the lab, let's take a look at personal protective equipment for a general lab work. A lab coat, goggles, gloves are required, respirator mask, and safety suits. Today, we are Group 4 will explain or introduce laboratorium equipment.
We are Group 4!
My name is Dr.
My name is Suamiati.
My name is Pengenalan.
My name is Judah Saputra.
My name is Wanda.
My name is Alia.
My name is Natasha Cecilia Sofitri.
Beaker hold either mix of chemical. Test tube used for storing, mixing, and heating small amount of chemical. Pipette used to dispense measure volume of liquid. Flask to either boil a solution. Graduated cylinder used to measure specific volume of liquid.
Petri dish used to grow microorganisms or store small specimens for observations.
A test tube holder is used to hold test tubes.
Thermometer takes temperature of solid, liquids, and gases. Spatula used for moving small amounts of solid from place to place.
Forceps for picking up or moving very small items in lab. Evaporating dish used to recover dissolvent solid by evaporation.
Glass rod is used to stir liquids usually made of glass.
Electronic balance used for weighing substances or objects, usually in grams.
Desiccators is to protect chemicals which are hygroscopic or which react with water from humidity.
Hot plate is used for heating substances and liquid in beaker and flask.
Ring stands that support the Bunsen burner, iron ring, pipe stem, triangle, and other items often while heating a substance. Clamp used for attaches, test tube, and other glassware to ring stand. Burette used in titrations to measure precisely how much liquid has been delivered.
Microscope is used to observe small objects, even cells.
Rotary evaporation is laboratory tool that has function to spare part a solvent from a solution so that it will product in extract with a more concentrated content or concentration or needed. Vacuum pump used to condition the vacuum in the sample by lowering the absolute pressure. Vacuum oven is appliance the word hot or dry, usually used to dry laboratory glassware, chemical, and organic solvent.
Water bath used for conditioning sample.
Spectrophotometer to measure the transmittance or absorbance of a sample as a function of wavelength.
Flat bottom flasks are used for heating in distillation or other reagent reactions. Condenser function is to allow high pressure and temperature refrigerant vapor to condense and eject heat. There are three main types: air-cooled, evaporative, and water-cooled condensers. A spiratory funnel is used to spirit immiscible liquids.
Thank you for attention. I hope you enjoy the video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.